What if there was a way to turn AI into a 24/7 cash machine? Keep watching, and I'll show you how in just a few seconds. Almost everyone is approaching AI the wrong way, and they're losing out on serious cash. I know, it's unexpected, but hear this. While others limit AI to basic tasks like content and articles, they're passing up on a much greater potential. They're stuck using AI for small, everyday tasks, not realizing it could unlock entire income streams with almost no effort. Imagine if instead of just creating content, AI could handle everything, finding profitable niches, producing expert-level bestseller courses, and even promoting them to ready-to-buy audiences, all while you sit back and watch the profits come in. That's exactly what we've done. We decided to take a different path. We didn't just follow the crowd. We created our own money-making machine by tapping into a $320 billion industry by creating CourseAI Studio. I'm talking about the online learning industry and harnessing AI to create high-quality, sellable bestseller AI courses in any niche. Topics from personal finance to make money online to fitness to coding and dog training, all fully automated, produced in 60 seconds, and ready to sell. Think of it as an AI-powered income machine, one that works around the clock. And with our platform, you don't need experience, marketing skills, or even time. AI does it all for you. People are spending billions daily on courses, programs, and training videos. And here's the thing. CourseAI Studio has unlocked a way for you to get a share of this massive market with zero effort. Imagine being able to create high-quality, in-demand AI courses in any niche without ever lifting a finger. AI courses on topics like making money online, fitness, travel, business, even dog training, all generated by CourseAI Studio in 60 seconds. Here's how CourseAI Studio works in just 3 steps. 1. Log in. First, just log in to our cloud-based CourseAI Studio app. No installations, no complex hassle. Second setup. Allow AI to create AI courses in just 60 seconds. Third, profit. That's it. Your bestseller AI course plus profit-pulling AI course website is ready to pull in huge bucks for you, automatically, no content creation, designing, or coding skills required. Sit back and watch as CourseAI Studio starts promoting your bestseller AI course automatically. We don't just build the AI course, we build your AI course website too to sell your AI courses, build your audience, and also get you customers. While others struggle to get a few clicks, you're stacking up consistent profits with AI courses that practically sell themselves. It's like having a whole team of course creators and marketers at your fingertips. And this isn't just theory, it's proven to work. We tested CourseAI Studio with hundreds of early users, and every single one of them made money within 24 hours. They saw real profits, fast, without spending a dime on ads or grinding out hours of work. And CourseAI Studio doesn't just create basic AI courses, it's creating some of the best high-quality bestseller AI courses out there, AI courses that ranks above 99% of other courses in the market. You can finally break into the online learning industry with a profitable, fully automated business. No experience, no content creation, and no editing needed. Now, here's the deal. CourseAI Studio could easily cost $1,997 a month. That's what it's worth because it's proven to bring in results. But because we're making more than enough from CourseAI Studio, we don't need to charge that. For a limited time only, we are giving you access to CourseAI Studio for less than the cost of dinner. That's it, just enough to cover our server costs. But be warned, this price won't last long. Once this launch ends, we're raising it to $997 per month. No exceptions. And since we want CourseAI Studio to be effective for our users, we're limiting the number of licenses. When they're gone, they're gone. Listen, if you're tired of the empty promises in the market, tired of inflation, and tired of seeing prices skyrocket while your income doesn't, CourseAI Studio is here to give you a real chance. We created this system to finally make it possible for everyday people like you to break through and start earning online daily. And here's our promise. If you don't make money with CourseAI Studio, we don't want your money either. In fact, if CourseAI Studio doesn't deliver profits, we'll give you a $250 gift for even trying it out. There's literally no way to lose. Ready to take the leap and claim your share of a $320 billion industry? Click the button below and get instant access to CourseAI Studio, along with exclusive bonuses worth thousands of dollars. This is your chance. Don't miss it. I'll see you on the inside.
Hey, let's take a look at the free bonuses you're getting along with your purchase. When you choose to purchase this product through my link in the description below, you'll also receive these free bonus packages valued at over $7,000. Trust me, this bonus package is designed to not only save you valuable time and money, but also enhance the quality of your life. You can claim these bonuses after completing the transaction and email your receipt to support@testedapps.com. So, I can use this information to validate your purchase. You will receive the bonuses within 24 hours. And that's not enough. I've Tier 2 bonuses for fast action takers like you, but there's a twist for claiming Tier 2 bonuses. Just wait and let me show you Tier 2 bonuses after this. Feel free to skip to the main review part, or you can see what you're getting for free. Here are the Tier 2 bonuses I was talking about. And the twist is that you've to get at least one OTO upsell to claim these bonuses. And the process will be the same as before to make these bonuses yours. After completing the transaction, email your receipt to support@testedapps.com so I can use this information to validate your purchase. You will receive your free bonuses within 24 hours.